Itong mga itong mga self-limiting beliefs na to is baka ito yung mga bagay kung bakit ka hindi pa successful. So, or hindi ka fulfilled sa buhay mo. So, sa video na to, pag-usapan natin is about how limiting beliefs are destroying your potential. So, I'm Joms and I help men to be masculine and improve themselves. So, basically, I give tips about masculinity, men's personal improvement, fitness, fashion, dating, relationships, at kung ano-ano pa. Sa video na to, we will try to deep dive on limiting beliefs on why kung bakit niya dinedestroy yung potential mo. So, number one, ano yung mga signs na meron kang limiting beliefs? Number one is you feel stuck. Feel mo andito ka lang, wala ka ng improvement, or hindi ka rin naman nagiging bano. So, you just feel stuck. Number two is you're avoiding a lot of challenges. So, hindi ka na open sa problems, hindi ka na open as challenges. You see challenges as something negative. Number two, negative self-talk. So, palagi mong dina-downgrade yung sarili mo. Lagi mong iniisip na, putik, hindi ko na makaya yan. Na iba na lang, kino-compare mo yung sarili mo sa iba. Now, if you keep on doing these alarming signs, is maraming negative impact to sa buhay mo. Number one is you will remain in your comfort zone. And sa comfort zone, walang growth dyan. So, you will remain the same person as you as now if nalagi ka lang nasa comfort zone mo. Number two, you may miss out a lot of great experiences. Dahil nga lagi ka lang nasa comfort zone mo, hindi ka lumalabas, then wala kang may experience na kahit ano. And without experience, hindi ka makabuild ng confidence. Because in order for you to build confidence, kailangan mo ng maraming experiences. And number three, your potential will remain untapped. I know for sure, nararamdaman mo you are destined to something greater. And hindi mo makukuha yun, hindi mo ma-achieve yun kung marami kang limiting beliefs. So that's why, mahalaga na ma-identify natin yung mga beliefs na to in order for you to break free para matap mo na yung potential mo. So ano ba yung mga benefits na to kapag nalaman mo yung mga limiting beliefs mo? Number one is you'll open yourself to a lot of opportunities. So maraming darating sa'yo. If you put yourself outside your comfort zone, marami kang madidiscover na oportunidad. Maraming bubukas sa'yo na pinto. Papasukin mo na lang, man. Pero hindi ko naman sinabi na maging magnanakaw ka. Number two, you'll boost your confidence and resilience. Dahil nga lumalabas ka sa comfort zone mo, you will experience new things. Marami kang may experience na bagay. And again, experience is the formula for confidence. So, if you want to be more confident, you need to move outside your comfort zone and experience things. Number three is you achieve more of your goals. So, I know, sobrang dami mong pangarap. Kahit ako, sobrang dami kong pangarap. And ma-achieve ko lang yon if hindi ako malilimitahan ng mga self-limiting beliefs ko. So, if you want to have those benefits, ang pinakamadali nyo magagawa that you can start after this video is I want you to list down kung ano yung mga limiting beliefs that is hindering you. Yung sa tingin mong hindi na nagsuserve sa'yo. For example, sa akin, wala naman makikinig sa akin, ba't ako mag-video? Ganyan. So, huhulihin mo kung ano yung mga self-dialogue mo na naglilimita sa'yo. So, with that one, kapag nalisten mo na, I want you to change those limiting beliefs to something positive. And ulit-ulitin mo lang siya, kada nahuhuli mo yung sarili mo na sinasabi mo yung belief na yun sa sarili mo, just flip it. Tandaan mo kung ano yung sinulat mo, gawin mong positive. So, yun lang. If you want more videos, please subscribe sa akin channel, like and comment kapag makagain kayo ng value or insight dito. I have more videos here, check nyo na lang. I'll see you on the next one. Let's go.